Yeah, ooh, let me, ayy, ooh, ayy, I do it. Run that bitch up like a track meet, run that bitch up like a track meet. Give me the pack and I might take that. She got a fatty, I might take that. Give me your addy, we pullin' up to your better.
So today, it's kind of like in the morning right now, so my voice might sound a little weird, but today we're going to make an animated door, and one of my friends has been suggesting this for a very long time now, and it's time I finally make it. So yeah, so let's just jump right into it. First thing you do, insert a part, and you could scale it up. Let's add like a dummy. What's a dummy? Block rig. This how big the door is gonna be. Just make it like this big and not too thick either. Make sure you don't have collisions on, and scale it like this. Turn collisions back on, and then move it on, and it sticks like that. Now you can like make this different color if you want. It's just so you know which is center and which is the door. So now name this center and name this door. Okay, now since you've done that, insert a weld constraint into the center, weld constraint, and then part 0 is going to be door, and part 1 is going to be center. So now these two will move together. Make sure not to anchor this, and make sure to anchor the center. Now since we've done that, add a click detector to door, and make this a group. Okay. Now add in a script and paste in this script. This script is as always going to be in the description, and just like in the last tutorial, for some reason they won't allow like brackets in the description, so I'll upload it on Pastebin again. I'll send the link in the description. So now since we've done that, let's test it out. Takes a bit for it to load in. And sure enough, it works. Just like that. Go through, and then out again. Very nice. And it even has that quad animation, the in and out. So, hope you enjoyed today's episode of Roblox Studio, and make sure to like and subscribe. And if you ever see 3 dislikes on any of my videos when I just uploaded, it's probably just one of my arch nemesis, and it's probably 2 other friends disliking all my videos. I'm not really sure why, but just so you know, just so you're aware, okay? So this is Studios, snooze out.
Yeah, ooh, let me, ayy, ooh, ayy, I do it. Run that bitch up like a track meet, run that bitch up like a track meet. Give me the pack and I might